Exercise 6a, triangles class 10. Question number 1, sub number 2, AD equal to 8 centimeter, AB equal to 12 centimeter, C equal to 6 centimeter, find AE. Given inode side triangle measurement of na AE ko amna nangen timna salah triangle ABC. Yanode ya DE ya line segment DE ya rongjok ya line segment BC na parallel bunga. Digimna AD khun so ha 8 cm ina so ta ha 8 cm digimna AB ya rongjok 12 cm digimna ye EC ya rongjok 6 cm EC pongjoba CE wan option khatong ya inon sa onso ha 6 cm. Tode makena ye EE khomna nakta nangen. Tode my formula ko sakogena Thales theorem ino phangchakemna dekho solve again. Thales theorem phangchakide ratio of this side to this side is equal to ratio of this side to this side. So ratio of AD and DB is equal to ratio of AE and EC, and this implies the AD de 8 cm given DB de pattern over there calculate again 12 minus 8 kanan again in the ye DB could again in as again DB ni about 12 minus 8, and this is equal to AE yahode masija and divided by EC yerongjok 6 cm. Then cross multiply again 6 ko left side china cross kaya again in the 8 into 6 divided by the 12 minus 8 betong yana 4. So this is equal to EE. Then na 4 de 8 to de 2 times, and this implies that the EE ko left side was again, and this is equal to 2 into 6 ko de 12. So EE is equal to 12 centimeter. Question number 1, sum number 5. DB equal to 9 cm, A equal to 8 cm, AC equal to 20 cm. Find AD. Our triangle ABC ko salaha, and DE is parallel to BC. Dimna DB ko so ha 9 cm, AE de 8 cm, dimna AC de 20 cm ko ha. Ino meso kata ha. Dimna mai khom na nangena AD khom nagda nangen. Tade Thales theorem mo phangchakemna AD by DB, ne? AD by DB, one right hand side over one option and again ichibak AD by DB one ichibak the AE by EC muskano AE by EC, and this implies AD kuri masija by donabo dimna DB de 9 AE de 8 dimna EC kura megam gena ye 20 uniko 8 ko minus kanan again inosa EC ko mashigan inimas again 20 minus 8, and this implies ED kure chakasyo dunugaibo dimna 9 kure cross kai rangbo inode petongonok 8 into 9 divided by 20 minus 8 betana 12. Tode 3 chi cancel ka ode 3 era 9 ode 3 times and 12 ode beta 4 times dimna 4 de 8 ode 2 times umya, and this implies ED is equal to 2 into 3 ka ode 6 centimeter. Today manjok AD equal to 6 centimeter. Number 2, sub number 1, AD by AB is equal to 8 by 15 and AE is equal to 4 centimeter. Find EC. A triangle ABC ko salaha where DE is parallel to BC. Dimna EE kon so ha 4 centimeter. Dimna AD by AB is equal to 8 by 15. You know the ratio kon so ha 8 by 15. Dimna EC ko amnagdan again. So I have to find EC. So again, Thales theorem mo phangchakemna AD by AB. Ne ichibak AD by AB on ode a right side chiba. You know right side over option nongene ichibak AD by AB on ode ichibak te AE by AC muskano. AE by AC, and this implies that AD by AB could equation on so 8 by 15 question ode 18 by 15 sian deba ode question mistake tonga sa yede 18 by 15 ongjane 8 by 15 sa. So 8 by 15 is equal to AE hude inon so ha 4 demna EC hude masija inon makana AE plus EC nisana nanggen. Mana AE aru EC nangdumisa AC ko form watnya ini given AC ni biaponga AE plus EC nisana nanggen. AE plus EC, and this implies 8 by 15 don't you. This is equal to 4 by AE around joke but enough 4 centimeter in 4 plus EC, and this implies that they are cross multiply again. Cross multiply kang 4 into 8 but don't joke 32 demna sign de plus to the EC into 8 kawde 8 EC, and this is equal to equal cross multiply again yere jakrashi again 15 into 4 but don't 15 into 4 kawde 60, and this implies 8 EC equal left side again, and this is equal to jakrode 60 32 ko right side shirangode minus 32 again, and this implies ya EC ko donukbo 8 ko cross kai khama chirangbo. So this implies EC is equal to dimne ye 8 de khamoni again dimna khosa kode 60 minus 32 betong unok 10 minus 2 de 8 dimne no de 5 minus 3 de 2 that cancel kabo ko 4 chi cancel kham again 4 7s are 28 4 2s are 8, and this implies EC is equal to 7 ko 2 chi divide kama de betong 3.5 centimeter. Yes, EC ni measurement 3.5 centimeter.